Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story into our Instagram account. So the first thing we have to do, open your Instagram application, and after you open it, you will be peering into the home section. It will be signed with this white color on this section. And if you're in the home section, make sure that you take a look on this right upper corner here, and you just need to jump into the inboxes part. And then in inboxes part, there will be show here someone who mentioned you on their story. You just need to click it to open it, and after that you just need to see the story that they upload and tag to you on. And after you find it, you just need to go click this add to your story, and those story will be bring into your story section. To resize this part, you just need to click it to make it fit into your screen, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click your story. And now let's check into our story here. So you just need to wait until it's already posted. So that's the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story into our own. So if you find out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.